Did you know that right now, just by watching this video, you're probably sitting up straighter without even realizing it? This is called the Hawthorne effect, and it's changing your behavior in ways you can't control. Back in the 1920s, researchers studied factory workers to see how lighting affected their work. They made the lights brighter, and productivity went up. Then they made the lights dimmer, and productivity still went up. The workers weren't responding to the lighting at all. They were responding to being watched. Your brain has special systems that activate when you know someone is observing you. Even when there's no reward or punishment involved, you unconsciously try to perform better. This is why people exercise more when wearing fitness trackers, why employees work harder during performance reviews, and why reality TV stars claim they forgot about the cameras, but their behavior stays different the entire time. The moment your brain knows it's being observed, it flips a switch. You start monitoring yourself without even knowing it. You're doing it right now.